Do cryptocurrencies have any kind of a bright future in 2023?
I think after a fairly rocky 2022, we're going to experience much of the same in 2023.
With the Terra ecosystem and FTX collapsing, all in a handful of months, there will be understandably a lot of hesitation and distance from outside players. But at the same time, market cycles, there's a lot of shakeout from people who just buy the hype, and the true believers are the ones who are buying and operating and building in this space. So we'll continue to see those people here in 2023.
Happy New Year to all of you. 2022 has ended on something of a cliffhanger, with many unanswered questions as the new year begins. What does the crypto industry look like in 2023? Will Bitcoin fall lower? Will the businesses currently teetering on the edge of bankruptcy recover? And what will all of this mean for the customers and investors? Today, in this video, Michael Saylor takes us back to the journey of 2022. What major things have happened in the last year, and what could they imply for the future ahead in 2023? I mean, everything has consequences. Let's see what 2022 is going to have for 2023. So stay tuned until the end of this video, and before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more of the latest crypto-related videos. You can also hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of my uploads.
We have seen a crash to zero of lots and lots of things in the ecosystem. I mean, the biggest disappointment is just, all of the negative effects of having the crypto economy melt down as we knew it was going to, but all of the people in the Bitcoin industry that are doing the right thing, that are working to grow the industry, have been slimed by their association with the rest of crypto. Right? It's like Do Kwon decides to buy some Bitcoin and screws up the Bitcoin market by blowing up a $60 billion complex. That's been a negative thing. The explosion of Three Arrows. And, well, I mean, what really makes you angry? What makes you angry is when you read about, say FTX that collected billions and billions of dollars, but never bought the Bitcoin, actually. So why is this a problem? If FTX stole billions of dollars in a BlockFi and Voyager and Three Arrows and Celsius and Terra Luna, if all of those ecosystems basically collected people's money and then lost all the money, then people that legitimately wanted to own Bitcoin had their money stolen from them. So what you had was you have the very careful Bitcoiners that bought their Bitcoin and still have their Bitcoin, and then you have a lot of more casual Bitcoiners that maybe they bought the Bitcoin and deposited in Celsius to get some yield, and now they lost their Bitcoin.
It's a happy new year to all of us. 2022 has finally ended, but it will surely stick with us forever. Obviously, the bankruptcies of FTX, Celsius Network, and Voyager Digital top the list of the worst crypto stories in 2022. Not to mention Terra's demise and the implosion of Bitcoin's price. So stay tuned until the end of this video to know more of the details. Crypto economy has melted down big time. Billions of dollars of Bitcoin have literally lost their value. Companies have collected money and lost them, investors have been hurt. Michael Saylor also thinks that this kind of tragedy has caused the investors to have caution in the crypto industry. They're not going to invest or have faith in crypto quite so easily, especially the newcomers. The market is going to need some time to recover. Let's get into the next clip to see what other things Michael Saylor has to say regarding the situation.
And I think that that's tragedy. I mean, it's bad for them, right? It's awful for anyone who had their money stolen from them. And it's not good for Bitcoin because billions and billions of dollars of Bitcoin was stolen and / destroyed, right? I send you $20 billion to buy Bitcoin. You take the Bitcoin, you steal the money, and the Bitcoin doesn't get bought, right? Or I send you 20 billion worth of Bitcoin and then you loan it out to someone that invested in Terra Luna, and Terra Luna goes to zero, and then the Bitcoin never comes back, And so what happened? They converted the Bitcoin into Terra Luna, or converted the Bitcoin into FTT or the equivalent, and then that went to zero, right? So that kind of makes you mad.
Mhm.
It's somewhat tragic, it's irritating, tragic. It's not the finest moment for the crypto industry.
For the past year, the crypto industry has been on a tear. New investors have poured billions of dollars into the market only for it to get to zero. The industry is surely facing a number of challenges that could stall its growth in the years ahead. This could make it harder for new companies to enter the market, and it could also lead to more volatility in the prices. In Michael Saylor's words, it's not the finest moment for the crypto industry. But, as every coin has two sides, 2022 has also showcased positive things for the crypto industry, even after being in a crypto winter. Can you think of some? Let me know in the comments section below. And of course, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up before jumping ahead. Yeah, you might be thinking, what good would have happened? All we can see is loss of money, downfall in Bitcoin prices, bankruptcy, scams and frauds. Well, Michael Saylor has some different views on the matter. I'm curious to know, so let's get into the next clip to discover.
The most positive thing of the year is the emergence of Bitcoin as the institutional grade digital asset, and the clarity that has arrived to the mainstream media and to institutions and to the government, that there's one crypto asset that's a digital commodity. I think Bitcoin is that commodity. At this point, it's been iterated by the chair of the SEC, and it is now just iterated by the chair of the CFTC. We saw a speech by the Secretary of the Treasury, Janet Yellen, reciting the legend of Satoshi. We saw the chair of the SEC sitting in a cabinet meeting with regulators from a dozen or more different agencies, reciting the legend of Satoshi. We've seen senators and congresspersons referring to Bitcoin and the virtues of decentralization. We saw stories about the industry, go to the New York Times, the Journal, Forbes, Fortune. We saw the spin up of Bloomberg Crypto. So a lot of mainstream coverage, the legitimacy or the legitimization of the asset class. It's clear that there's been a lot of crypto carnage and a lot of broken glass and a lot of pain for Bitcoiners, even more pain for non-Bitcoiners or crypto token people, right? Where they watch their Terra and Luna go to zero, and a lot of crypto banks closed their doors and went to zero.
According to Michael Saylor, all of these scams and frauds have helped crypto to get into the headlines. I mean, we can all agree with that. There's not a single day when you don't see some crypto-related news in the news channel or in the papers. Crypto has been a spotlight for the year of 2022. And Saylor believes that all of this not only has educated the people about the industry, but it's also triggered regulators to take some measures sooner than before. So, do you agree with Michael Saylor? Can we have more regulation and adoption ahead in 2023? Will this crypto winter end anytime soon, or is the crypto contagion going to spread more? Could Bitcoin fall even more than it already has? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more crypto-related videos, and once again, a happy new year to all of you. Let's see how 2023 is going to be for the industry. So, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, adios, and thanks for watching.